Okay, so this is like my fourth take. Excuse me. I don't really know how I will make an introduction to this video, but what I'm trying to do is make a video without cutting. A very very short video. So I'll just start with I'm eating this. It's an ice cream with an Oreo chocolate, and then this Jayco donut. Hold on. Okay, I'm not sure if you heard the crunch, but I'm so sorry if the the sounded disgusting. So I was thinking of making this video like this early this morning, but I felt so lonely inside and unmotivated. And I, I've been wanting to make a video, a digital diary, and post it in YouTube in public so that I can watch it, or maybe someone can relate to my everyday problems or whatever. I'm not gonna share a lot right now since this is my first video. I just wanna say that it's January 1 and it's a new year, so I have a new chance to change myself and be better each year, each month, each week, and every day, every second. So that's the purpose of this video, because you know we need to start somewhere. So I know I'm not that good enough. I mean, what I'm saying is, I know I'm not that good in speaking, talking, but this is just the start, and who knows how who knows how it will all end up. I need to practice talking in front of a camera, cause I know this is cringe. I sound cringe. That's all. I sound cringe. So just gonna eat ice cream. So one thing about me, well, already know my face. I was planning that I was planning to not show my face, but I'm just gonna tell you what my name is. So, but I'm 19 years old. I just turned 19 last year, December. This is my last teenage years. So, it would also be good to start documenting my last teenage years, my last teenage days. This. So the fun fact about me is my favorite chocolate flavor is Rocky Road. I love Rocky Road. Bye guys, and Happy New Year. Bye bye.